Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to log into your Electrum wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Open up your Electrum application on your device. You will then come across this interface where it says create or restore wallet. To log into your existing wallet, you will need to enter your wallet's name and password. Type in your wallet's name that you created while signing up for Electrum Wallet in the first text box. Once you are done, head over to the next field and enter your password for your wallet. Make sure to enter the correct password and finally click finish. Soon after you enter your username and your password correct, you will then be able to log into your Electrum wallet. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.